Hi guys, I'm Rehana. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this magnetic photo frame for refrigerator. It is so easy and you just need to watch my video. But before I learn to you, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Before I show you how to crochet this magnetic photo frame, you need something like yarn, anything you like that, a ring. This ring is 5 centimeter, a magnet, a picture of your baby, your love, your family and everything, but it must be good for this ring, and a thick cardboard, hook and needle. Okay, let's do this. First thing you must do this is put your ring on the thick cardboard and use the pen and do something like this. It is not important, so carefully paint it. Just do this. It's good for this. It's necessary for a picture, okay? When you draw the circle, use a scissor and cut the circle. Okay, I do this. For crochet this magnetic photo frame, I choose a pink color because my picture have some color like red and maybe pink, I don't know, but pink is good for this color, and green it's good for this color too, so you must choose every color you like it. For first step you need to single crochet around your ring. For do this, you must put your hook into the circle, into the ring. For first step, you need to single crochet around your ring. For do this, you must put your hook into your ring and then hold your yarn like this, and then yarn over like this, and then make a single crochet. Okay, now you have the first single crochet, and we must keep doing like this. I behind my yarn under the single crochet. It's better. Do it like this and make a single crochet around your ring. We need 60 single crochet around the ring. Just do this like this. It is so easy. Do this until you reach here. Okay, now I crocheted 60 single crochet, and now I slip stitch on first single crochet like this. Now you need 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then After that, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, exactly here. Make a single crochet like this. And now we have this. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. Do this until you arrive here. Now I have 10 of this because I use 175 millimeter hook and use the yarn with this detail. Because of that, I have 10 of this. When you finish this round, I make a slip stitch under here. Then I make a single crochet here, then half double crochet, just one, like this, then 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Then 1 half double crochet here, like this, and a single crochet like this. Now we have this. Again, I do a slip stitch under here. Okay, then single crochet, then half double crochet, then 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, then 1 half double crochet, and then single crochet. Keep going until you arrive here. Okay, when you arrive here, you need a slip stitch here. Like this, and make 1 chain and cut your yarn. Then you must use a needle with big hole because you need to put your yarn here. And then you hide your yarn like this. I will show you. Okay, and cut your yarn again. And now we have make a frame for this magic photo frame. Okay, now I want to stick my picture into the frame. The first step is use glue. I use warm glue. and put glue behind a frame. This is behind, okay? It is behind, not here, here. Okay, put your glue around the frame like this. Use a little, not more. Okay? Just a little. It is enough. Then do this. Okay? Next step is stick your picture here. For this, again, I use warm glue like this. Then I use a paper for everything you have. Use more glue. And then put your picture here. Yes. But it is not finished yet. We must stick magnet here. Now use a glue again. And then put it right here. Okay? Exactly in the center of your ring. And now you have a magnetic photo frame crochet. So cute and so easy. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Bye bye.